Hi guys, welcome to Pips Dojo. So nice to have you. Welcome to another pre-market analysis and a quick recap of what I actually shared last week. Um, I was talking about a long opportunity on EJ last week, and obviously it did fail. It failed. I was talking about a long from I think this level. Yes, so I was wrong. Price wiped us out, and I think I later saw the reason for that. So yeah, that's that. So right now I'm still expecting a long from EJ, but for the meantime EJ is still bearish up to this level, up to this level, um to this level at least. Then it should get just observe the 4 hour for a push from here henceforth. Okay. Um so observe the 4 hour for a push from here. So EJ should touch this last line before a real move happens. But if it doesn't touch this last line and it moves, expect a rebound from this level. So that's my observation and what I anticipate on EJ's price action. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, I expect a minor short. Okay, for now on New Zealand USD, if not a minor short, at least up to this level. It could go down here. Who knows? But anyways, I'll be staying away from EG and from New Zealand for now because so many. I think there are too many indications of a buy and sell at the same time. Um, so this has not been confirmed yet. I just placed it. I just put it there, just just for it to be there and all. So there's a possible price is showing selling intent from this level. So price action could literally give you a confirmation. It could go up a little, then give the confirmation however way it wants to do it. But within this range, I expect for down here or even down here. Okay. But down here is a safe space because there's also a 4-hour QM. Let's go to the 4-hour. There is a 4-hour QM right here. Okay, where price could potentially bounce from. There is a chance of price bouncing from here to this level. There is a chance of price bouncing from here to this level, and there is also a chance of price making the short all the way here. So this is partly some of the reason why I said I'm going to stay away from New Zealand for this week. So let's check gold. I have a limit on gold, a very active limit on gold. I was talking about shorting gold and all of that. So actually short gold. I took a short on gold first and I got break even. I was hit by PE. So I took the short here. A very tiny entry. I got 5 RR, but it later hit break even. So price, I entered here and then price came all the way here. Boom. Okay, it was a good movement actually. Closed some in profit, but that was not where the original move the main move wanted to start from. So I have something else. This is a limit I have on gold. I'm waiting for it to trigger. It's almost there actually. It is almost there. So let's see how it's going to be. It's 11 hour trade, so, and it should be a good one. That's the limit I have on gold. My bias has not changed on gold. My bias has not changed on gold. So yeah, I think that's what is on ground for this week's pre-market analysis. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.